Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the 2008 Bobcat S205. 2-speed, cab heat air conditioning, power Bobtach, just under 3,300 hours. You notice those new Bobcat heavy-duty tires? This machine will come with a bucket. We got standard flow hydraulics. We have the 7-pin attachment control kit so you can hook up to a Bobcat attachment. New rubber all the way around. There is some corrosion on the machine, all on the surface. Boom. Everything else is solid. I don't see any signs of welds or cracks. Rear door's nice and straight. It's always an indicator of how the machine was used or how hard it was used. This is a vertical lift boom machine, so you got maximum lift and maximum reach. The 2-speed, huge benefit when you're snow plowing or just trying to get from A to B. Kubota, interim tier 4. This is a turbocharged 4-cylinder Kubota liquid-cooled diesel. The machine features the sound package, so the whole machine is wrapped in this sound insulation. Just easy to service. When you look at these, hydraulic, engine oil, fuel, battery, air cleaner, radiator, everything is accessible and easy to get to. That power Bobtach is going to make it nice. You can hook and unhook without getting out of the cab. This machine will be equipped with a door. There's our radio. Deluxe display panel, power Bobtach, 3,288.4 hours. So with the 7-pin, we're all set up with your functions. If you got a stump grinder, Harley rake, whatever you want to run, you can set it up and run it. Nice smooth boom operation. These Kubotas are so quiet. I mean, there's no door on this machine, and you can hear me on the video just fine. Heat and air conditioning. You know, this panel will keep your machine from getting stolen. You have to have the code once we set it up. We punch your code in. You have to have the code in order to start the machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call. 715-781-3940. 2008 Bobcat S205. So that's got over a ton safe lift. Keyless panel, suspension seat, heat air conditioning, radio. It's going to have a door on it. Power Bobtach. Little bit of corrosion on it. Very straight machine. Nice straight doors. New tires. Runs out beautiful. Put it to work and let the guys pound on it. It'll take, get your jobs done. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940, or visit any one of our Tri-State locations, Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, or Hudson, Wisconsin. Thank you.